Mesozoic history. The entire Mesozoic era from the Triassic to the Cretaceous. Triassic. The Triassic period, approximately 250 to 201 million years ago, was the first period of the Mesozoic era, bridging the gap between the devastating Permian Triassic mass extinction and the rise of the dinosaurs. This era saw gradual recovery of life, with the supercontinent Pangaea dominating the Earth. Its vast expanse created a mostly hot, arid climate with large deserts and limited polar ice. In the oceans, marine ecosystems rebounded with the proliferation of ammonites, bivalves, and the first coral reefs. While early marine reptiles like ichthyosaurs and nothosaurs became apex predators on land, gymnosperms such as conifers, cycads, and ginkgos flourished in dry environment. Terrestrial animal life also underwent significant changes, with early dinosaurs, small and bipedal, beginning to appear alongside other reptiles such as the archosaurs, which later gave rise to crocodilians and pterosaurs, while mammals descended from synapsid ancestors made their modest debut during this time. Meanwhile, modern insect groups like beetles, flies diversified. As the period progressed, geological forces began to rift Pangaea apart, setting the stage for future ocean formation and continental drift. The Triassic ended with a second mass extinction event, likely triggered by massive volcano eruptions associated with the Central Atlantic Magmatic Province (CAMP). These eruptions release significant amounts of carbon dioxide, causing rapid climate change, global warming, and ocean acidification. This extinction wiped out many species, including large amphibians and some reptile groups, allowing the allowing dinosaurs to rise to dominance in the Jurassic period. The Triassic was a time of recovery, experimentation, and transition, laying the foundation for the age of dinosaurs. The Jurassic period, 201 to 145 million years ago. The middle part period of the era is celebrated as the golden age of dinosaurs and a time of thriving biodiversity. It followed the Triassic mass extinction and saw ecosystems stabilizing and flourishing. The breakup of the supercontinent Pangaea continued, with the Atlantic Ocean beginning to open and creating varied climates ranging from arid deserts to lush tropical forests. These fostered the diversification of life across land, sea, and air. Dinosaurs dominated terrestrial ecosystems, with iconic species such as Brachiosaurus, Stegosaurus, Allosaurus into some of the largest, most diverse creatures of that time. In the sky, flying reptiles called pterosaurs reached impressive sizes, while early birds like Archaeopteryx began to bridge the gap between reptiles and avians. Oceans teemed with life, featuring marine reptiles such as plesiosaurs and plesiosaurs, alongside ammonites, belemnites, and thriving coral reefs. On land, gymnosperms like conifers, cycads, and ginkgos dominated plant life, while the mammals, while the first flowers, while the first flowering plants, angiosperms, began to emerge. Though they were not yet widespread, small mammals, descendants of synapsids, remained largely nocturnal and inconspicuous, but continued to adapt and diversify. The Jurassic period was a time of ecological richness and evolutionary experimentation. The dynamic breakup of Pangaea reshaped global ecosystems, while the dominant dinosaurs reached new evolutionary heights. This era set the stage for even greater evolutionary changes in the Cretaceous period, with its flourishing ecosystems and increasingly specialized species. The Cretaceous period, which lasted from about 145 to 66 million years ago was the final and longest segment of the Mesozoic era. It's best known for being the time when dinosaurs were at their peak. During this period, Earth saw significant changes including rising sea levels, the breakup of supercontinent Pangaea, and the formation of new ocean basins. The climate was generally warm and the earth was dominated by lush vegetation which supported a diverse array of dinosaurs from the massive sauropods to the fierce theropods. In addition, the first diverse array of dinosaurs from the first flowering plants, angiosperms, appeared which dramatically altered ecosystems. The Cretaceous ended with one of the most significant mass extinctions in the Earth's history, likely caused by a combination of volcanic activity, climate change, and the impact of a giant asteroid. This event wiped out about 75% of all species, including the non-avian dinosaurs, marking the end of the Mesozoic era. This marked the start of the Cenozoic era. Quick note, we thought to try something that's different from other quizzes. That's all. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.